Hello everyone. Today we will see demonstration of our ERP for teachers. Okay. First of all, you need to insert your URL in the browser. Okay. After that, you will see this page. You need to insert your username, which will provided by your administrator. By inserting your credential, click on sign in button. Okay, once user have inserted proper credential, here we can see in which session you need to log in. You can either change your session from here. Okay, I'm going to click on continue button. Okay, here we can see this is the full dashboard of employee. In the below we can see daily calendar. Here you can see school events which will create by your administrator or either some authority. Okay, you can see in the top that in which institute you have login and in which session you are in. You can either change your session from by click on change session button and without going back in your login screen once again. Okay, here the shortcut for the dashboard menu. Okay, we will start from student detail. Okay, as we can see here, the user can see only the student of particular class and division for which administrator have given them rights. For example, here we can see administrator have just given the rights of class 6 division C. So user can only see the student of that particular class. Okay. As we can see, if user want to see the more detail of particular student, then he need to click on view button. Okay, as we can see, student all the details, his profile, his additional details, birthday, moreover detail information, his current address, permanent address, father detail, mother detail, all the details teacher can see here. Okay, moreover if student have uploaded documents, teacher can see it from here also. Okay, moreover if you want to export your report, then just you can export it from export to Excel button, and if you want more columns in this report, then just click on 3-layer button. I'm going to click here, go to columns, and you can select more columns from here. Okay, as we can see, I have select father name, mobile number, so we can see here. Okay, okay, now we will move on student leave. This is student leave applications. Student or parents have their they have their mobile application. So if student want to apply leave, then they can apply from their mobile application, and teacher or particular employee can either approve it from here. Just click on edit button, either approve or disapprove. Okay, once you approve leave from here, then this notification student can see in their leave application that this leave is approved. Okay, next we will move on the search student button. Okay, user can see profile of any student from here by just typing the name. For example, I'm typing one name, going to click on search button. Okay, here user can see full profile of student with fees and remarks and attendance, visitor gate pass. If any of their parents came to campus, then they can see history from here, class history, okay, fee collection history, all the details. Okay, next we will pen and picture book. It is one kind of daily diary for student. If teacher want to communicate or teacher want to notify their parents for some positive or negative feedback of students, then they can insert some remarks, and parents can see these remarks in their respective mobile application. As we can see here, teacher can either send positive or negative remarks to the students. Just he need to insert name of the student. User can select category. There either, suppose if student have not wear proper dress today, then he can select a uniform and type here, and either he can insert image from here. So parents can parents can get a message that today's student either uniform was not good, or he or she has not behaved proper with their teacher. Okay, so either positive or negative remarks can inserted from here. If you want to insert more category, then just contact your administrator. He can insert more category for you. Okay. Okay. Next, we will see our homework module. Okay. Here we can see teacher or class teacher either can send homework to the student. Here we can see this user have just rights of standard 6 division C. He can select subject for which he want to send homework, select date, give title and homework detail. Also you can attach some files if you want to attach. Once you click on the save button, this homework will visible into the student application or parents application. Student can download or can see the homework in that mobile application. And we have also provided another option that student can upload the homework which he has completed, and teacher can check that homework from check homework button. Okay, as we can see that I'm going to click on edit button. Here we can see student names and homework status. As I have uploaded one student's homework, I'm going to show you. Okay, here we can see student have uploaded their homework, and teacher can click on download button. This is just sample file I have attached, and teacher can mention either he has completed or pending homework, and also he can mention some remarks. Okay, these remarks will be visible into parents application. Okay, so this is the homework details. Next we will see the employee details. Teacher can or employee can view the profile of any employee. Okay, if you do not have any rights of either delete or edit, teacher cannot do anything. As we can see, you are not authorized. I have clicked on edit button, so just teacher can see the profile only. Okay, next we will see daily reporting. It is really important for everyone that teacher can upload their daily report to their higher authority. So in the work description, you need to insert what work you have done. Either you can insert remarks if you want to insert something, or you can attach some file if you have. So this reporting will be visible to your respective higher authority, and higher authority can see all the details from the team reporting. Okay, so this is the reporting details. Okay, next we will see attendance entry for the student. Teacher need to select attendance for student. Okay, here we can see the teacher has this user have rights for class 6 division C, so he can take an attendance for this division only. Okay, I'm going to select 19th. As we can see, if you want to insert directly roll number, then absent roll number, I'm just going to insert 5,6. I'm going to click on tab button. Just press tab button. You can see here absent students are there. If you want to move a student from present to absent, just click here, any of the student, and click on this forward button. Okay, and click on the save button. Or well, if you want to send SMS to the absent student, just tick mark this one and click on the save button. So automatically SMS will be sent to your particular parent's mobile number. Okay. Next we will see here we can see the list of attendance which teacher has taken. You can download your attendance from here. Okay, and you can submit it to the principal either. As you can see, attendance for 18th and present absent. Okay, fine. We will see report later. We'll move forward on the marks entry module. Okay, this is the section for 1 to 5, 6 to 8, 9 to 10, and 11, 12. Okay, you just need to go into the particular section for which you need to insert a marks entry. Select your particular class. Okay, you can see here the class for which you have rights. Okay, selecting weekly test. I have already entered one marks. Select your subject and activity. Okay, click on the search button. Okay, well, you can see here the marks. You can update here and you can change the marks from here. Moreover, if you want to insert marks for the another activity and another subject, click on the search button. Here you can insert the marks for that and click on the save button. Okay, so this marks will be saved into particular exam and particular activity and subject. Okay, once you have inserted marks, you can download or you can send SMS to the parents for the weekly test exams. Okay, we will see it from report detail. Okay, go to the CCE module. Okay, here you can see all the exam report. You can, if you have inserted marks in PT1, PT2, PT3, PT4, then you can download whole report card from the system. You do not need to prepare anything, just insert your marks. And you can also download scholastic activities details from here. Let me show you one report which I have inserted marks. Select your weekly test, click on Excel button. Okay, you can see here the marks. Moreover, if you want to send SMS for that weekly test to the parents, then you can send it from here also. Just select test and click on send SMS button. So the particular activity which you have selected, this test mark will be sent to the parents by SMS. Okay, so this is for full report card and your students analysis reports. Okay, next we will see the lesson plan. Okay, teachers can insert their lesson plan from here. Select date, class, division, subject, okay, number of periods, which unit. Okay, so let me open one detail which I have inserted. Okay, so here you can see you can insert objectives, methodology, activities, what you are going to plan in particular lecture, in particular class, division, subject. Okay, so this is basically a teacher's lesson plan. Teacher can download it from here and submit it to the principal. Okay, Fine. This is the lesson plan. Okay, next module is LMS. It's a learning management system. From here, teacher or employee can send work material or some reference material to the students. Okay, you need to upload, select one class, select particular subject, insert topic, and either here you can upload either PDF or YouTube. So this detail will be visible into the parents application, so student can download it from their mobile application, or student can view this video in their application. So this is very useful in this current scenario, because students are not available into the class, so teacher can record their video and upload into the YouTube and just insert YouTube URL to here. So students can directly watch this content from their mobile application. Okay, so here I have covered almost all the details. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Okay, one more thing, if you want to have more rights, then contact your administrator. He can give you some more rights if you want to insert from here. Okay, thank you so much.